presenting JennAir Wall Ovens with V2 Convection. Choose from the JennAir Noir or Rise design expressions. Available in single and double oven configurations, or stack your single wall oven with a matching built-in microwave with speed cook. Regardless of the configuration you choose, the same progressive features allow you to reach the ultimate in control, each with staggered cinematic lighting that minimizes shadows to dramatically showcase food, each with smooth gliding racks and flat stainless steel tines for smooth operation even when fully loaded. The JennAir V2 Convection system combines 2 fans and 2 oven elements for intense heat that is distributed evenly throughout the oven. Whether through Wi-Fi connectivity and the JennAir app, or by accessing the power of the built-in 7-inch full-color LCD display, connect with the JennAir Culinary Centre, called Assisted Cooking on the app, to receive done-list levels, pan types, and other menu-specific tips. Or choose My Creations to save your favorite recipes. Control your JennAir wall oven from anywhere. Preheat, check cooking status, personalize your settings. Connect to Wi-Fi for real-time notifications. Complete control is at your fingertips. It's science that lets you make magic. JennAir Wall Ovens with V2 Convection. The only thing more intelligent are the cooks who own them.